In version 22, our users will be able to automatically common cut nest. I have this particular example set up to nest single parts, and when I auto nest, the results that you'll see will show pairs of parts nested according to the punch tool that is used. So there's no requirement to input a common cut distance. That distance is determined by the tooling that is on your parts. Now in my examples, the parts are already pre-tooled, so now I switch to same part. I'm going to show you where this is very effective. This pair of parts right here actually has common cut done with two different size parting tools, one being 3/8 and one being 1/4 inch. And now lastly, I'll switch over to multi-part, and you'll notice that some of these parts shift down and over to create common cut between different parts. Everything I've showed you up to this point has been done with pre-tooled parts. This particular feature is also working with parts that are not pre-tooled, so clear the tooling off of these parts. And auto nest again with auto dynamic nesting turned on, and the parts are tooled, and they're tooled slightly different. I had manually tooled those others, and you'll see the results are different just based on the different tools that were used. And this is available for HD True Shape and HD Advanced True Shape.